Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today guys, I will explain how you can start dropshipping or e-commerce with no money and how I start. I want to tell when I was start dropshipping, I was 15 years old, and on 1 year I make around 100,000 in revenue in e-commerce, and so I want to explain my blueprint and explain my experience guys with freeform app, and I will draw some characters, I will draw systems because you can understand very well with animations, with drawings, you know. So let's start with me. First of all guys, you need to learn what is dropshipping or what is e-commerce. You need to start reading book about e-commerce. You need to start reading books, dropshipping, e-commerce. You need to understand system first of all. I will show my blueprint, and I want to pass my character man. Okay, that's me, or that's you. No matter so hard this. I just want to explain the system, guys. Okay, so this character not important so very much. That's me. That's manufacturer. For example, guys, I live in Berlin. I live in Berlin. I want to start dropshipping. First, I start watching YouTube videos. I don't suggest YouTube videos so much, guys, because in YouTube there's so much videos about dropshipping, and most of all is trash. Don't fill your brain with this trash. Read books. What books I can suggest to you? Wait 1 minute. Guys, I can suggest you 3 books about e-commerce, and of course if you're starting e-commerce first, if you are beginner, I can suggest you Russell Brunson's .com. I'm reading these books in Turkish language, but you can find English or PDF, of course, free PDF on Google, or you can buy it's $5. I forget this price. First book is Russell Brunson's .com. Magics. I don't know how I can translate it. So first book is Russell Brunson. These books you can search in Google PDF and you can read this. Second book is Jeff Bezos and Amazon. This book is really good, guys. I suggest you to read these books if you are starting new, if you are a beginner. And my first book is How Influence People, Robert Cialdini. I would suggest these books if you are beginner, guys. It's not for masters, you know. If you are starting new, you can start with these 3 books. You need to first understand the system. You need to understand how this works. First of all, read books about dropshipping. Second one is listen to dropshippers stories on YouTube, guys. You can find them so many stories, fail stories, and so many success stories. For example, I want to show this success story, dropshipping or dropshipping stories. You can find also. For example, guys, not on this is a guru. First of all, this boy, I think, is selling the course. You can search a new beginner dropshippers on YouTubers. This is this course. For example, this one. You can watch this because it's a story and success story, and it is, of course, because this boy is not sells course, I think, because they has very low views, and if one channel has a lot of views, for example, millions, 2 millions of that, don't forget they are selling course. They are not businessmen, not entrepreneurs. They are YouTubers, and they are selling course to you. Okay, you can search about it, and you can learn many things because I start with this. Second way, okay, this was about psychology. I live in Berlin. I started reading books about dropshipping, and I started listening to dropshipping stories. After, what I need to do, Also, guys, you need to understand the content creating, learning content. Because, guys, if you are starting first in dropshipping, you don't have any experience and you need to publish post free videos with organic. You can use, of course, TikTok organic or YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels or something, and is very important to learn content creating for promoting your service or promoting your products in the online. I start with organic TikTok, and after making some thousands, I convert my my online store with paid ads. Facebook, I started using Facebook, and if you are this, of course, after 1 or 3 years later, you can use paid ads. But if you are a beginner in first years, you need to use organic traffic for your store. I don't suggest you to use money for this because you are a beginner and you have to make very high chance to be false, be wrong of this journey. Learning content creating. Why am I writing this so bad? Okay. First of all, guys, you need to do just 3 steps. It's for beginner. First of all, follow your passion and interests. For example, if I love cars, I can sell car accessories. If you love jewelry, you can sell jewelry accessories. Or you can love textile, you can sell t-shirts. You just need to follow your passion and interests, and of course it will be very easy for you if you find your patience. Second is market research. For example, I want to sell accessory, or for example watches. Explore. For example, I love watch, I have interest about watches. Select this worldwide and about 7 days. Market is in the Pakistan is very high, but I don't recommend for Pakistani. I think it is Australia, not Nepal, United Kingdom, and United States. These 5 countries has a big market about watch selling or Google Shopping. Google Shopping and web search is same, not has very big differences in the United States. These 5 countries are the best markets for watch sellers, guys. You can target, of course, Australia, United Kingdom, United Arab, United States of America. You can target these 5 countries because the countries has very high interest about watches, and of course you can sell very easily watches on these countries. But if I live Germany, for example, how I can target to United States? You need to buy a SIM card, or you can use VPN for targeting these countries. In TikTok, in YouTube Shorts or Google Reels, Instagram Reels, you don't need really for VPN or SIM card for targeting these countries. Only in TikTok you need SIM card for targeting these countries, or you can use, of course, VPN tools for these 5 countries. 3 is target audience. Target audience is watch. You need to go into ChatGPT and ask him, I want to sell watch and give me audience for watch my target. You can copy these tags and paste in the ChatGPT, and of course ChatGPT gives you very specific target audience names and audiences, and of course after you can target these audiences. I know I don't want to enter ChatGPT because there's a very bad things. 4 is profitability and market size. So guys, after the 1 or 3 months, and you decide your niche market, your product, and it's time to medium one. And first of all, you need to start earning experience. It's not the time of making money, guys. It's time to start earning experience, because earning experience means making money. And second, save your money. Of course, around 3 months, you need to get your first sale. If you don't get your first sale after the 3 months of starting dropshipping, deciding your product market, if you can't sell any product after the 3 months, you will fail and stop. start looking back and correct your mistakes, because in the 3 months publishing the everyday content organic, you need to get in sales, bro. If you don't getting any sales, there's a problem on your content, on your TikTok account or Instagram account. You need to search and solve your problem. For example, you get the sales and you get profit, but you will not. What you need to do? Save your money, every penny, every bucks. Save money. And three is be master on content creating. Guys, if you don't have money for ads, you need to be master on content creating and editing video. Okay, you can search about content creating on YouTube. There's so many videos about the content creating and video editing skills. You need to get skills about it. You need to improve your skills on content creating and on the sales after the 3 months, guys. And after 6 months, you save your money and you are master on content creating and sales. Master. It's very good, I think. So guys, after the 3 or 6 months, you need to go with paid ads. They are or it's meta, I think. Learn Facebook ads, guys, because without paid ads, you can't make a serious money. You can make thousands, but not serious money. So learn Facebook ads, test your creatives, test your audience, test your everything. Because the learning Facebook ads, it's not very easy. It's not, you can't learn the Facebook ads with 3 days, with 1 month. You need to be master on it, because if you don't master on Facebook ads, you will lose your money and you will lose your profit margin. So learn Facebook ads. Facebook ads is important. You can learn in YouTube. There's many free courses, but in 100%, 90% it's not work. You need to find the best. But if you have money, you can buy a course from Udemy if you want to be fast. Money can't give you experience. Money just gives your way fastest. So learn Facebook ads. Second one is So guys, after the Facebook ads, you need to learn sales and learn relationships. Don't forget, learning means earning. That was very good. Learning means earning, guys. The money color. Learn sales, learn relationships. I can suggest you, recommend you Caldini's books. I have many books on there. I don't know if you can see or not. There's books, and I'm ordering every month a new book. So earning means learning. Oh no, learning means earning. I get one. And I can suggest on relationships. Robert Caldini's book. I don't know. Yes, and Brunson's books, guys. Russell Brunson's books for relationships and sales. You can start with these authors' books. The beginning of video, I show you my books, and you can follow these books. Learning, earning. Okay, after the 1 month, after the 1 year, you continue your learning process with consistency. After one, no. Time. After the 1 year, it's time to make a lot of money, guys. After 1 or 2 years, because it's not the same with every man. Make a good animations photos. For example, I live in Berlin, so I see usual protocol marketing in Berlin. So I see and I think I don't have practical. For example, this guy's is air perfume, air freshener. I see this on the market in Berlin, so I think I can sell this because I know the Robert Caldini's book. I know Robert Brunson's book. I read them, and I think I can sell this because I get information in my brain, and I earn an experience from others. I have saved money, and I know content creating, of course. I think I can sell, and I start making content with my phone. So for example, I'm in the market. This is a product. I don't buy it. Oh, you can buy, of course, but for example, without risk, I'm not buying this product now. I'm recording the video of this product, and I'm in the market, of course. I'm not buying this. So I'm posting in the TikTok and Instagram. So I posted this. No, 3 videos in the day. After the 1 or 3 week, you need to get sales or engagement, any traffic. If you don't get any traffic on engagement, there's any problem on product or on your creating videos. So if I get sales, I will make without money. I will go on the customers will pay to my bank account with Stripe on site. I will get money. I will go to shop. I buy product, and I will sell. I will send to my my customer. Or you can buy in the market. Of course, you can buy in the Alibaba or Dropshippers site or agencies. You can send directly with your agency to your customer, and you can make money without risk and without so much money. Guys, I start with this way. Okay, I got my one market. I start with accessories. I see accessory in the market, so I decide I can sell because I know I have information about selling, because I earned informations with Caldini's book, Brunson's book, many book. I read many book. There's I have books. I show them, guys. So I think I can sell them because this product solves a problem, and if this product solves a big problem, I can make a big money. So I started making videos with my phone. I started posting in TikTok, organic, of course. I don't pay any penny on ads, and I will get sale. I send to my customers. This is easy, guys, but don't forget, learning means earning. Just learn everything, and of course you can make money. If you love, guys, my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Goodbye. See you.